Maging aga.
2 angel kids. Check.
Asawang beauty queen. Check.
Top rating TV shows. Check.
Pogi points. Check.
Hot commercials. Check.
Millions of fans. Check. Megawatt smile. Check.
Movie blockbusters. Check.
May kailangan pa ba ang nag-iisang aga?
Matanong nga mismo sa kanya.
Swerte po natin this afternoon, mga kaibigan. The most bankable dramatic actor in the Philippines today. Our favorite romantic lead and definitely ang pinakagwapong ama. Please welcome Aga Mula.
Thank you. Sobra naman yun, Chris.
Siyempre, nagagalak kami at nandito ka sa aming studio ngayon. Very intense daw yung mga love scenes ninyo ni Claudine. So, are you scared na baka maging R ito? R18 yung pelikula?
No, that's
Was it
why,
well lit?
No, that's why our director had to medyo stop us, medyo control our, kasi yung choreography namin, yung ginawa namin, magiging pang R18,
Sino ba nag-choreograph?
Really nice.
Kayong dalawa, pinag-usapan nyo?
Yes.
Does it help because she grew up, di ba, working with you? So, very comfortable talaga kayo. Buong-buong tiwala.
Kahit dating-dati pa talaga, gustong-gusto ko na siya makasama talaga sa pelikula. As a matter of fact, I even have this, up to now, binubuo ko pa yung project na yun, like 5-6 years ago pa yung ginagawa pa namin hanggang ngayon na hindi na namin matapos-tapos. That's why, when this offer came to work with Claudine, na maganda naman yung pelikula talaga, under Star Cinema,
Oo naman.
ginawa ko na. And so, lalong nakita ko rin na talaga ang sarap kasama ni Claudine talaga sa
Do you
pelikula.
think that this will give her the recognition that she deserves? Because she's
Yes.
really one of our most talented
Yes,
actresses.
when I saw the movie, hindi pa na-edit na maayos. Buong-buo yung ginawa niya. Mararamdaman mo talaga siya. As a matter of fact, I even told her that. Sabi ko, huwag mong asahan, pero eto na yun, sabi ko.
Sana.
Eto na yun, sana. Pero kung hindi man, okay lang dahil magaling ka rito talaga. And talagang naniniwala ako sa kanya, nagagalingan talaga ako sa kanya.
Eh, ikaw pang best actor?
Hindi.
May nag-ano na dyan na yes. Oh. Ito ngayon.
Masaya lang talaga yung movie ginawa namin. It's been different. I'm not saying
Are you a
it's
better
because,
actor now because you have a happy home life?
No, it's
Kasi you can concentrate more, di ba? Walang parang ganun, di ba? Kasi may misis ka nagmamahal sa'yo, you have two beautiful
mahirap lang
kids.
sa akin siguro, mahirap talaga sa akin iiyak. Mahirap sa akin sa eksena siguro pero merong iyak because there was one scene na set up namin ng 7 in the evening.
Oh.
Binigla ako ni Direk na iiyak pala ako sa eksena yun. So 7 ng gabi, nakaset up ng camera lahat, everything. Nakuha namin 2 in the morning.
Because?
Hindi ako makaiyak talaga eh.
Napakaswerte mo naman. Hirap kang umiyak.
Hindi naman sa-
I wish. Mahirap umiyak. Sandali, ito ngayon. 7 months niyo na raw tinrabaho yung movie.
Yeah, around 6 to 7 months.
And a lot of it was shot in Bicol, right?
Bicol, we went around Bicol, Pampanga, Zambales.
Poor Charlene. And the
tapos,
poor babies. Did they really miss you?
Oh yes, I did.
Ikaw.
Sobra.
Na-miss mo
Because
sila?
every weekend ang shoot namin from Fridays to Mondays. And there was even a point in time when we were filming na pag napapakap yung pelikula, talaga pumapalakpak talaga ako. Parang pag-pack up, wow.
Paano ka babawi
bahay
sa
lang
kanila
ako.
ngayon?
Hmm?
Paano ka babawi sa kanila?
Hindi naman ako talaga nawala. Kasi hindi naman straight yung shooting namin na every weekends. Marami kaming pack-up din. And since I haven't been going out, so if I'm not shooting, I'm just at home.
Do you consider yourself a supportive husband?
Very.
Very.
Yes.
Okay sa'yo na kahit busy na rin si
My
Charlene
wife is very
ngayon.
supportive.
Kasi diba twice, 3 times a week din siya nagtitaping ng Feel at Home.
Twice a week.
Okay lang sa'yo. Ikaw nag-aalaga
Nung una, medyo parang, sabi ko parang, sana wag, but I don't want to do that to her naman, stop her from, doing what she wants to do.
She's very good at what she does.
Yes, plus the fact that yung alagang ginagawa niya sa akin, sobra, too much. Too much.
Swerte
Para
din
bang
dalawa.
kung anong, swerte ako.
On the phone right now, live po from Singapore because she's taping there right now. Charlene Gonzalez Mula.
Hello.
Hi, Charlene. How's Singapore?
Hi!
Very memorable sa inyong dalawa. Alam ko ang Singapore, di ba?
Yes, actually, it's very memorable, but of course, nakakalungkot kasi hindi ko siya kasama ngayon.
Hindi ka ba susunod?
Wala eh. We're promoting now. Sayang nga. But it's good also na rin because at least maka-focus ako sa promo namin because wala siya sa bahay.
Ba't ka naluluha?
Ha?
Ba't ka naluluha? Sabi mo mahirap lumuhay. Ba't ngayon naluluha ka?
Sa personal.
Bakit?
Because first time siyang umalis eh.
Oh.
First time kami she knows that. Kaya lang,
What do you call each other sa commercial, di ba, Be?
B.
B pala. Oh.
B!
B.
Go home.
I know, I can't believe. And last night, pumunta pa ako sa Tiger Safari, so reminiscing, siyempre ako.
Oy.
Yun, nakakalungkot, but of course, yun.
What do you want to tell him now? He's looking so good, but he really looks like he misses you.
Well, syempre, I miss him very much, but I'm proud of what he's done, lalo na yung movie na ginawa niya, kasi alam ko talaga yung pinaghirapan niya sa movie, and how much he prepared, and seeing how good the movie came out, nakakatuwa. And I'm so proud of him.
Quick message.
Paano mo hindi mamahalin yan? So,
Ano
talaga.
message mo sa kanya naman? 3 nights pa rin yan, di ba? Na hindi kayo magkatabi. Oh.
5.
5? Pero 3 to go. Sabi mo, Wednesday na dito na eh.
but,
Oh. What do you want to tell her?
Just thank you for being you and you're too much. Parang sobra parang hindi ako makakita ng pagkakataong gumawa ng kalokohan o kasamaan because of you. And I thank you for being a good mom and a very good wife.
Charlene, is it possible that you both managed to exceed each other's expectations?
Exceed each other's expectations.
Oo, hindi ba kasi when you go into marriage, you have all these beautiful expectations, pero parang nalagpasan niyo pa bang dalawa yon?
You know, with him, there was nothing that, actually, he's more than what I expected as a husband, as a family man. Talagang lahat-lahat nandyan na. And I've learned so much from him, and I just love him so much as a person, of course, as my husband, the father, lahat ng ginagawa niya, and outlook in life. He's someone that I really look up to.
Napakaganda naman nun. Yung title ng pelikula is, Charlene, maraming salamat ha. Thank you and enjoy Singapore. We're looking forward to watching that on Feel at Home.
Big thanks, Big. Love you. You do good there, ha?
Alright, love you too.
Pasalubong ko.
Oh, syempre.
Okay.
Napakaganda ng title, Kailangan Kita.
Kailangan kita.
And
the
masasabi
way
mo
Gary
yun
sang
talaga na kailangan mo siya, si Charlene.
Oh, yeah.
Siya ba yung talagang matagal mong kinakailangan na finally binigay nga?
Oh, yes. Kaya nga, you know, hindi mo mapapabayaan ng Panginoon Diyos talaga, you know, for what He's done to me past since pinanganak ako, you know, sa dami ng dinaanan ko, and I've always believed that God is good, and especially now. And what's nice now is mas naging simple ang buhay ko na nung ko pa pinapangarap talaga yung simpleng buhay, tahimik at masaya. And we talk about it that, you know, marami pa kaming dadaanan, but as long as we know that we want to grow old together, and that's our dream, and that's what we're gonna do.
Last question na lang.
Yes.
Everyone is saying na this movie talaga highlights the two of you. Do you think
This
na...
is
Go ahead, sorry.
No, this movie kasi when we first started filming, yung interpretasyon ko sa movie kasi I was doing like mga feel-good movies, ano. And so yung feeling ko nung binasa ko yung script talaga, parang, alam ko na to, eto. And then finally, in our first week of shoot, ang interpretasyon ko pala nasa letrang A, ang sa director ko nasa Zeta. You know, so malayong-malayo talaga. Talagang iba. So I panicked a bit, and sabi ko na lang sa kanya, direct, you know, I'll give it all to you, bahala ka na, you take charge, I'll just
Kailan namin mapapanood ito?
follow you. And November 6.
Ang lapit na.
November 6. Ito
But
yung
they will see you.
Ito yung pelikulang ginawa ko na hindi ko akalain ganun lalabas. And
Aga live and in person, makikita ka nila, di ba? Ng mga tagahanga mo. Later on?
yes,
Sa Santa Lucia,
sa
correct?
Santa Lucia. Premiere. Dediretso kami sa Santa Lucia.
Santa Lucia. And
Kita
then
kita
also on November 3 naman.
sa SM Bacoor.
Oh, yun.
SM Bacoor. And The Buzz.
Oh.
Here.
And of course, course, papanoorin natin lahat po mga kaibigan on November 6.
November 6.
Beautiful film from Star Cinema.
Can I just add something lang?
Okay.
I just wanna thank and, parang dedicate ko this movie, to, of course, to my wife, my kids, and the staff and crew. Si Direk, Shane Clemente, our DOP, Noel, May, Mervin, Ryan, all these guys, PE. Lahat sila, lahat kayo, lahat dyan. Ang galing nyo. Man, thank you. I will treasure this.
Maraming salamat, Aga, for
you.
being with us in the box.
Thank
at
you.
maraming salamat for coming up with a beautiful film. We'll all really look forward
Finally,
to watching
nakausapin kita.
it. Uy. And it's so great to see you so happy.
Thank
Huwag
you.
mo kayong aalis,
Thank you,
mga
salamat.
kaibigan, na magbabalik pa po ang
The Box!